Hello everybody, Unicornlady Tech here. I was given an assignment, so I decided to take my bug out bag and let it explode so I can see exactly what I have in it, because my assignment, I'll talk about in a minute. But what I had in this bag is all of this stuff. Got a pen and pencil, first aid kit, some tools, the little towels, extra eyeglasses for reading, mosquito stuff, hand warmer stuff, those thermal blankets, two different type, bungee cord, not bungee cord, parachute cord, paracord from Dollar Tree when they were a dollar. I got a wood burning stove there, little campfire stove there, fire starter kit, flashlight, radio, solar powered, TP, dishes, food. There's the bungee cord. Then we got the compass, mirror, whistle, combination thingy there, power, water. This is supposed to hold a cup if I so choose to use it. Water filtration system, fluorescent so I can be seen in the light in the dark, fan, some baggies to hold my phone and stuff from waterproofing. That's about it. Oh, blanket, stuff to put on my head like a hat, and that's about it. I think I got everything covered. All of this was in this bag. Now, back to the assignment. I had some winnings on vision preparedness, and I received it. No, you cannot see any of the addresses. Ha ha ha. I covered them up. I already been in it, but I want to show you how it came. It's the first aid kit. And my nutrient survival shake. That's what I want, these two things. You can even put a little note to me. See that? That's me, Unicornlady Tech. Vision preparedness. Alright. Now, I've already been through this bag. There's a lot of good stuff in it. Can I open it? Wait, let me try this first. Alright, let's see if this will work. We have bandages, band-aids, more band-aids, cucumbers, band-aids, What is that? Oh, it says hydrogel. Okay. We also got First Aid Survival book guide. Probably has everything you want to know about how to deal with first aid. I almost bought this off Amazon one time, and now I don't have to. What else we got? Sterile gloves. Burn spray. Superwash. More bandage. And a pen light. I had one of these when I was in nursing school. It looks like the exact same one. And that's it. That's a lot. And it came in this nice little bag. The strap and everything. See? So, that's it. And I can use all of that. In fact, I'll just put it in my bug out bag with my tiny little first aid kit. Maybe I'll put what's in here in this bag and call it a day. Aha. Well, folks, that's it. Just wanted to stop in and say thank you for your preparedness. And everybody, stay tuned. There'll be more to come.